Hello, just wanted to show off my 2012 328xi. I know a lot of people might say should have kept this chrome, but I like the way it looks. I have the M Sport package, so might as well go all in on the M Sport. It's extremely dirty right now. Front wheels have brake dust and whatnot, but it's not permanent, so I just wanted to show it off too. I would also like to start making point of view driving videos, like Winding Road magazine. So if anybody's interested and actually watches this video, I'm definitely interested in making it. Yeah, like I said, my car's dirty, but I'm showing you guys a normal, everyday type of view. When I watch videos, I used to love that cockpit view. See what it looked like driving. This doesn't work. I don't know why. I have to fix it. I hit this with my big goofy knee. Now this is loose, gotta fix that. Other than that, it's perfect. 120,000 miles. Need some gas. The back seat has a whole bunch of miscellaneous